Move your playhead on desired spot and split it. Split the effects 3 times. I will not change any details of first split. Select second one and go to Details, increase color from 60 to 80. And the speed 50 to 60. This part should look like this with purple glitch on women face. Then go to third split effects and change color from 60 to 034. Change speed from 50 to 41. Your video should look like this. Then go to fourth split and select. Increase color from 30 to 100. Increase speed from 41 to 100. Change atmosphere from 50 to 0. Your video should look like this. Export. Add keyframe. Keyframe point is look like diamond shape, where certain changes occurs to make your content smooth and animated. In order to activate keyframe, you need to follow for steps. 1. Select effects. 2. Place play.